Welcome to this design session. Today, I'm focusing on transforming a guest bedroom into a cozy, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing space for visitors. We'll cover everything from color schemes, furniture layout, bedding, and decor choices. I picked up this nightstand from the thrift and I'm going to work on changing the color and just giving it a little bit more texture. So I place nightstands on both sides of the bed if space allows. Make sure they have a lamp, space for personal items, and perhaps a small plant or book. I'm using the drywall patch just to repair small holes on the table. Define the purpose of the room. Is the room solely for guests or will it be served multiple purposes, like a home office or a reading nook? Consider how often guests will use the room and how much space they'll need. Consider blackout curtains or shades to ensure guests can sleep in regardless of outside lighting.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. On trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. I'm trying not to show. No, I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah.
Choose high quality, comfortable bedding with a neutral or soft tones. Layer the bed with pillows or comforter with a cozy throw.
Feel you. I want you around. I want you
Choose a color scheme. Opt for neutral tones like whites, grays, and beige. These colors make the room feel larger and more relaxing. Ensure the color scheme flows with the rest of your home, but also feels distinct enough to give guests a sense of their own space. Incorporate wall art or large mural to add personality and depth to the room. Choose a rug that ties together the color scheme and adds warmth. Include decorative pillows, vases, or candles to create a cozy atmosphere. In my case, my closet door is actually a large mural, so I didn't put as many wall art in this room because I had this large mural. The closet is a large enough space. I put the chest inside the closet to give the room more of a larger feel. That's it. By following these steps, you'll create a beautiful, inviting guest bedroom that balances functionality with comfort. It's all about making your guests feel at home while maintaining a cohesive design that fits within your home's overall aesthetic. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.